Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here average and time topic revision. Okay. First one, semi. What is mean by average? What is mean by average? Average means the average of a group of numbers of the same kind is a single number which represents the group. The average of a group of numbers of the same kind is a single number which represents the group. There is one formula is there. Average have one formula is there. Now see here. Average is equal to sum of all the addends divided by number of addends. Sum of all the addends divided by number of addends. There is two rule is there. Okay. All the addends, first one rule, what is there? All the addends in a set of numbers should be of the same kind and average denotes a single number. When you do the average, that time given numbers you want there only one group. Okay, same kind means same group, and average have a only single number, not few numbers. Okay. Now see how to do the average. See here, the given number 56, 79, 83 and 64. Okay, you want this one numbers average. That time what you do? Average is equal to sum of all addends. What is the formula there? Sum of all addends. 56 plus 79 plus 83 plus 64 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. Now you plus there 56, 79, 83 and 64. 9 and 6, 15. 15 and 3, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 2 is carry. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21, 22. 5 plus 2, 7. 28 is there coming. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 28. Understand? 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 282 divided by 4. Divided by 4. 4 sevens are 28. 2 is there remaining. Give there 0 point is 7.5. What is average is there? 7.5. Understand? Now next one example we learn here. In 4 cricket matches, Alvin scored 79 runs, 58 runs, 83 runs and 68 runs. Find the average. Find the average. What to do here? Average is equal to 79, 58, 83, 68. How many there total? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of addends, how many is there? 4. Plus that one all, you got there 288 divided by 4. 4 sevens are 28, 4 twos are 8. What is there? His average score is, how many is there? Write in the word. His average score is 72 runs. Understand? How to do the average? All of you understand now? Next one. Ananya scored 98, 97, 99 marks in maths in 3 semester examination. What is the average score? What is her average score? Right there. Average is equal to 98, 97 plus 99 divided by 3. How many is there total? 294 divided by 3. How many is there? 98 is their score. Is her score how many marks? 98. Right there. The average score of Ananya is 98 marks. Understand now how to do the average? Now next one we learn here time topic. We revised here time topic. In the time, how to do the addition and subtraction, we revised here. Okay. First we say 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now see, 75 minutes convert into hour and minute. How to do? 75 divided by 60. 60 ones are 60. 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. Understand? How many is there? 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. Understand? Now see here how to do the addition. How to do the addition. Here first one, minute column is separate, hour column also separated there. I want here 5 hour 53 minutes plus 2 hour 41 minute. Now see, 53 plus 41, how many there minutes? 4, 94 minute. In their 94 minute, 1 hour means 60 minute. 94 means above 60. Above 60. So you divided there 94 divided by 60. 60 ones are 60. You got here 1 hour 34 minutes. 1 hour 34 minutes means 1 hour you take carry here and remaining 34 minutes right here. Now see, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. You got their answer? 8 hour 34 minutes. You got their answer na? How to do the addition, understand? Okay. Now see here also same. Hour, minute. 1 hour 49 minutes. 3 hour 20 minutes. 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 2, 69. 69 divided by 60 minus 60. 1 hour 9 minutes. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. You got their answer, 5 hour 9 minutes. Hour and minute. 3 hour 30 minutes plus 2 hour 45 minutes. 75 minute divided by 60. 60 ones are 60. 15 minute 1 hour carry. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. You got their answer. 6 hour 15 minutes. 6 hour 15 minutes. How to do the addition? Understand na? Now in their words problem is the same also words coming. How much time in all together total, that's what's coming in words problem. That time you do the times addition. Okay, see here in your textbook, last year textbook, open. Anna spends 2 hours 30 minutes for her drawing lesson and 1 hour 45 minutes for her illustrating lesson. How much time does she spend on her hobbies? That time 2 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes, means 30 plus 45 75 minutes. 75 minutes means 1 hour 15 minutes. So 1 is carried. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4. 4 hour 15 minute time does she spend on her hobbies. Next one, Pinas completed her homework on Saturday and Sunday. 4 hour 45 minutes, 3 hour 35 minutes respectively. How much time did she spend in all? 45 plus 35. 5 plus 5 10. Carry 1 5 3 80 minutes. 80 minutes, there 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 1 hour 20 minutes you got in the minute column. 1 is carry on there. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 hour 20 minutes time did she spend in all. Understand how to do. Now we learn here subtraction. Now we learn here subtraction. How to do the subtraction. Okay. Hours, minute. 8 hour 46 minute minus 3 hour 50 minute minus 3 hour 50 minute. 46 minute minus 50 minute is possible? No. That time what you do? You take carry from here, minus 1. When hour come to the minute column, that time you convert into minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes plus this one also plus here 46. How much there? 106. Now 106 minus 50. Right here 106 minus 50. How much there? 56 minutes. 7 minus 3 4. You got their answer. 4 hour 56 minute. Hour, minute. How to do? Understand. 9 hour 5 minutes minus 2 hour 26 minute. Now also see here 5 minutes minus 26 minutes possible? No. That time you take a carry. 8. 60 plus 5. 60, why here 60 take carry from hour to minute column, means 1 hour have 60 minutes. So convert there 60 minute. 60 plus here how much there? That one plus 60 plus 5 65. 65 minus 26. 10 minus 6 9. 39. 8 minus 2 6. 6 hour 39 minute. Understand? Okay. Next one example we learn here, 14 hour 27 minute minus 3 hour 37 minute. Now 27 minus 37 is possible? No. 13. 60 plus 27. 6, 8, 87. 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. 10. 10 hour 50 minutes. 10 hour 50 minutes. Understand? Now, see here. In the words problem, super fast train takes 16 hour 30 minutes to reach New Delhi from Mumbai, but mail train takes 22 hours 15 minutes to cover that distance. What is the difference in their travel time? What you do here? Difference. They ask you difference, means you do here subtraction. Hour and minute. 22 hour 15 minute. This is a mail train. Minus 16 hour 30 minutes. Which one? Super fast train. Super fast train. Okay. Now you take carry here. 21. 60 plus 15. 75. 75 minus 30. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5. You got their answer. 5 hour 45 minute in their travel time. Understand how to do the subtraction? All of you understand, na? Yes or no? Now, time interval. Time interval. How to do the time interval? See, Amir goes to office 9:45. Goes to office 9:45 and return home 7 p.m. Okay. Now, how many interval time? Means AM to PM, PM to AM within 24 hours. Understand how to do? Now, how much time he spent in the office to go to the office and come to the home, return to the home? How much time he spent? That one you counting. What you call that one? Time interval. What you call that one? Time interval. 9:45. 9:45 means how much time? In 1 hour, how much time they want? 15. Okay. Next one. Next hour time, how much time you want there? 15 minutes. 45 You want there 10 o'clock 15 minutes, 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How much there? 9 hours. And there next 1 minutes are there given? No. So how much time he spent? 9 hour 15 minutes. Means how to do, understand. You want here next hour time 9:45, next hour time which one? 10 a.m. Okay, how much time there remaining? 15 minutes. That one also write here. Now 10 a.m. you reached here. Okay, 15 minutes. Now 10 to 7 o'clock, how much time? 1 hour. 11 o'clock, 1 hour completed. Okay, 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How much time there? 9 hours. So write there in hours column 9. And there see, next minutes are given you? No. So write there 0 0. Now how much? Plus there, you do the plus there and write there time. Understand? Next one, Air India flight departs from Delhi and arrivals Dubai 10:35 a.m. This is a departs time. And arrival time 10:35. Arrival time how much there? 1:40 p.m. Now hours and minutes. How much time he take? Hours and minutes. 10:35. 35 means how much there remaining? 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 means 25 minutes. You want here 25 minutes to next hour. Now 10 to 1 o'clock, 11, 12, 1, 3 hours. And next 40 minutes you add there. Now 25 plus 40 is equal to 65. 65 means there 1 hour is carry and 5 minutes. Arrival time is how much time is there? 4 hour 5 minutes. 4 hour 5 minutes. How to do, understand? Okay. Now average 2 example you solve in your homework book. Additions 4 example, subtraction 4 example, and time intervals 2 example you solve in your notebook. Okay, and 2 to 20 tables, almost 20. 2 to 25 you by hearted there and write there in your notebook. Okay, thank you.